We're going to attach the terminal kit to the end of the wire. You need a pair of pliers, the terminal kit. What's in the terminal kit?
So you have a little stopper, and you have some crimps, a little metal sleeve, and a heavy-duty snap swivel. And this is just to attach onto the end of the cable, and this is where you attach your ball to.
Cool.
So first things first is you put the stopper on. There's a fat and a skinny end of the stopper. Put the skinny end on first, so then it has the fatter end can hide all the crimps that you put on.
Crimps, so those cylinders. Okay. From there, you basically want to have enough tag end to make a big loop at the end. You open up the sleeve a little bit so that you can get the big snap swivel on it, and then from there you run the wire around the sleeve, then the tag end back through those crimps so that it can go through.
We're going to cinch it down just onto that sleeve. So you want it to be sitting like that. And once we have it there, we can crimp that. So take the pliers. Thank you, Aaron.
Squeeze it in there.
Just like your fishing knots, you cut off the tag end. Boom. Stopper comes down, hides those crimps. Now you have your clean setup, just like that.